Victoria, and I'm going to be going over prompt number 2. Biochemical pathways have transcription factors that can act as repressors or activators. An activator is something that stimulates the rate of transcription. The presence of an activator is necessary for transcription of that gene. Likewise, think of water and sunlight acting as an activator for plants. You can't have a plant grow without the presence of sunlight or water, just as you can't have a gene transcribed or translated without the presence of an activator. Contrastingly, repressors serve to block transcription of a gene. Think of the railroad crossing gate. When it's down, your car can't move, just like repressors block the transcription of a gene. We're now going to look at a biochemical pathway in the office. Looking at our biochemical pathway, we can see that PAM activates and promotes the expression of GIM, allowing GIM mRNA to be produced and translated. Michael serves as a repressor that prevents the transcription of TOBI mRNA and prevents it from being expressed in the cell. We're now going to look at our wild-type DNA in our biochemical pathway. So PAM is going to act as an activator for the GIM gene. When GIM is transcribed, he acts as a repressor, blocking the transcription of Dwight mRNA. If Dwight is not transcribed, then he cannot act as an activator for the Michael gene, and Michael mRNA will not be produced in the wild type. Since there's no Michael is available to block TOBI, and TOBI mRNA can be transcribed and expressed. So in the wild type, the TOBI gene will be expressed. We're now going to look at a single mutation where no functional GIM can be produced. In a cell where there is a GIM will not be available to block Dwight, so Dwight will be expressed. This will promote Michael being expressed. If the Michael gene is expressed, he will act as a repressor and block TOBI, so the TOBI gene will not be expressed in this mutated cell. Our cell now has a double mutation where functional PAM and Dwight cannot be produced. If functional PAM is not produced, GIM can't be produced since PAM is an activator for the GIM gene. If Dwight is non-functional, then he can't promote the transcription of Michael. Since Michael isn't produced, TOBI will not be blocked, so he can be expressed in the cell.